Let's construct the polygon ABCDEFG. Study the finished figure first. Every side has a given length, and every angle is transferred from the scale of chords on the right. First, draw the baseline, and mark point A on the left. This line is our reference for the whole construction. From A, step off the base AB to its given length of 67 mm, and mark point B. Every angle is set out with the scale of chords. With center A, and radius equal to the 0 to 60 degree chord, swing a reference arc across the baseline. Now lift the 0 to 70 degree chord from the scale, and cut the reference arc. This fixes the 70 degree direction at A. Join A through that point. The angle at A is 70 degrees, the direction of side AG. Along this direction, measure AG as 57 mm to locate point G. Then darken the finished sides, AB and AG. At point B, swing the reference arc again. Center B, radius the 0 to 60 degree chord. Transfer the 0 to 40 degree chord, and cut the arc. This sets out the given angle of 40 degrees at B. Join B through that point. The angle ABC is 40 degrees. Measure BC along this line is 33 mm. This locates point C. At C, extend the side toward B, and swing the reference arc from center C. Transfer the 0 to 67 degree chord, and cut the arc, giving the direction of side CD. Join C through that point. The angle BCD is 67 degrees. Measure CD as 32 mm, and mark point D. At D, extend the side toward C, and swing the reference arc from center D. Transfer the 0 to 80 degree chord, and cut the arc. This sets out the given angle of 80 degrees at D. Join D through that point. The interior angle CDE is 80 degrees. Measure DE as 37 mm, locating point E. Now return to G to set out its angle. Extend the line AG beyond G, and swing the reference arc from center G. The angle at G is 100 degrees. As the scale reaches only 90, we build it in two steps. First, transfer the 0 to 90 degree chord to set out our right angle. Join G through that point to draw the 90 degree direction. Then transfer the 0 to 10 degree chord, and step 10 degrees further. 90 plus 10 makes 100 degrees. Join G through the new point. The angle at G is 100 degrees. Measure GF as 27 mm to locate the final point, F. Finally, join E to F to close the figure. Darken the completed outline, and keep the construction lines light. The figure ABCDEFG is now complete, built entirely from the given lengths and angles.